Tyree, loser, lowlife, sneeze. Sneed. You are the lowest of the lowest human being I have ever listened to in my life. You are literally trying to use your dad's passing. Even I don't even know if that's true because you lie about everything. You literally trying to use a passing of a loved one for you to get gang sympathy from people. You are the epitome of scumbag, dumb beetle. I have never heard or seen anybody like you. You have no morals whatsoever. You will use anything to get people to like you. And the only thing that's telling me is you don't have no friends. Nobody like you. Nobody. You know that. And that's why you use all these excuses to get people to like you. You talking about the government, the police. Man, why in the heck would they even want anything to do with you? You are nobody, Tyree. Nobody. You are a bum, broke, homeless, little weasel that can't fight a lick. You are the scum of the earth, racist, lying piece of crap I've ever heard. And for somebody that say you don't like Jesus, love is this, love is that, but Jesus sent you down because you're an angel. So you got to make up your mind. You got to make up your mind, bro. Are you a angel from God? Or are you just this devil? This tough man devil? Because you got me confused, bro. You really got me going. Because you talk all this trash about love and you okay, you got a great life. But every time we see you, you crying like a little baby. You crying like a baby. You crying like a baby all the time. You crying like a baby all the time. And this is like, I have never met a tough guy. I never met a tough guy that cries so much and wants sympathy from everybody. And you know what? It's funny, how you talking about, oh, I try to speak knowledge to people. I speak knowledge to people. What god dang knowledge you bringing to people that somebody even want to listen to? Before Ashley finally kicked your sorry butt to the curb, it was every day was Ashley. Ashley, she the woman I want. I'm gonna marry her. She's my wife. I just need her to call me, text me. That's everything we always heard from your sorry self. And you got the nerve now to say you speak knowledge, this and that. No, stupid. You only speak as if it's something that you like and you want everybody else to act like they should like. Like Ashley, I swear, bro, I got so tired of hearing about Ashley. Jesus, It was like I know I'm the only one because we all waiting for your butt to get dumped and her to finally say to you, stop texting, stop calling me, stop talking on YouTube about me. You are a stalker, a born again stalker. That's all you are. And this crap with saying you beautiful. What grown man worries about if he's beautiful or not? Oh my God, you such a faggoler. I mean, good Lord, man. Grow a pair. And you know what? And that stupid choke chain necklace you call, hey, idiot, he didn't say that thing was worth $1,000. They didn't say no such thing. Because they know it ain't worth no $1,000. It ain't even worth a goddamn $30 that you spent on that thing. That necklace, man, you could have got that necklace at a grocery store or something. Buy a pack of batteries or something. You get this choke chain for free. That's how crappy that necklace is. And you don't get that. You think, oh, people can see it. They can know I'm for real. No rappers walk around with this necklace. You right. You right. Ain't no single rapper that's walking around right now with one of those god-awful necklaces you got. Because they like real jewelry. Loser. They like real jewelry that costs roughly $10,000 to $20,000 necklace. They don't go to a kiosk in the mall and buy a $30 necklace and say it's worth $1,000. Who told you that was smart for you to do? Because, bro, you are broke and homeless, and you out buying a fake necklace like that. That's so god awful that you couldn't even get robbed. If you say rob me right now, they will look at your necklace and be like, man, nah, I'm good, man. Hey, man, I'm gonna give you a couple dollars because it seems like you homeless and broke, because you got to be that to be wearing that stupid necklace. And it's like, bro, you say, oh, I couldn't get to my dad's funeral because of this. Hey, I thought you have 14 luxury whips, a mansion. So you mean to tell me you couldn't drive one of your many cars to your dad's funeral? Even if it is true, which something telling me is not, because your butt don't know how to tell the truth. So once again, you mean to tell me you couldn't go drive one of your cars to your dad's funeral? You loser. So then you talking about why people get on here hating on you? Ain't nobody hating on you. It ain't nothing to hate on. Telling the truth to somebody is not hating. Telling somebody they're a liar and a racist is not hating. So that's what you and your buddy Charlie get wrong. Y'all lives ain't worth a goddamn $9. But you will keep saying somebody hating on you? Man, you got some nerve. Ain't nobody, Tyree, ain't nobody caring enough about you to hate on you. You are the epitome of a loser, bro. That's the only thing you are. That's the only thing you ever will be. You don't get girls. And if you did, you got to lie to them. And then what you do when somebody says something that you don't like, you automatically start trying to put them down, because you know as well as we know that you phony, you fake. And instead of you being a man about it and standing up and saying, you know what, blah, blah, blah. No, this is what you do. You literally try to put people down because they called you out and you don't like getting called out, because the truth hurts. Remember that. The truth hurts. And by the sound of it, you can't take the truth. You can't handle the truth. You a bum, bro. You a bum. Wannabe loser. That's the only thing you ever will be. That's the only thing you are. And you know what? I know that you tried this now, but once again, I'm calling you out. I bet you $1,000, bro. My 1,000 against your 1,000. That I'm gonna whoop you. You can pick the time, the day, whatever you want to do. Remember, you're the one that got the underground 10-0 record, right? So how about we just go to one of the places you fought at and chop it up there, and go to YouTube and have everybody on YouTube watching it. So what's good? I'm calling you out. I am calling you out. What you gonna do? Keep lying? Or act like you gonna ignore me? Because, like you say, you go pull up on somebody, or you go beat somebody up. They keep saying your name, right? Well, Tyree, loser, Sneed. I'm calling you out. I'm calling you out. And don't be a pussy and act like you didn't know that somebody challenged you. I'm quite sure you've been listening to these. So once again, loser, I'm calling you out. Because you know what? I'm going to whoop you. And I'm going to whoop you for a ton of reasons. But you know the main reason, loser, is you disrespecting people for no reason. Talking bad about every group of people besides white people. We didn't do nothing to you. But only thing you try to do all the time is talk down on us, African American, Jewish people. You know, we haven't done nothing to you, but you insist on still trying to dog us and play us and act like we beneath Tyree, Sneeze. I guess you just living life so much better than all us African Americans and Jewish people. I guess that is the life of sleeping in a hotel room, having absolutely nobody with you, no friends, no woman. You don't got no self-esteem, because I've been out the windows at the moment you try to rap. You ain't a man. You ain't no leader. You ain't no man. Only thing you are is a crybaby, excuse making son of a bee. That's the only thing you are, bro. Only thing you are is a person that literally would rather bash people and talk down at people because you know you a phony, and they know it. So in return, you try to put them down, say whatever you can say about them to get the attention off your punk butt. That's the only thing you want to do, is get the attention off you. And another thing, stop acting like you don't need YouTube. Talking about, I don't need this. Man, you begging YouTube. You begging YouTube. They don't want no part of your show or jerk off session. They don't want none of you, man. Why the F you think they haven't did it already? You stupid loser. Swear, bro. Only thing you try to do is belittle people because you don't have nothing. Because you cannot be like them. You know it as well as I do. You know, it's a real shame too that you got these stupid flunky people following your punk butt. Who in their right mind? In their right mind, think that you are a okay guy. Please, give me one reason why you're a stand-up guy. You're an alright guy. Give me one thing you did that somebody can say, man, Tyree's a good guy, man. He did this or did that. Because you know what, Tyree? Because you don't do nothing for people. You want everybody to do something for you. Every goddamn day you begging for donations. Every day. And this bike, I said bike. This job you always talking about, bro, is $10 funky an hour. $10 an hour. You live in Texas. Cost of living is higher there. So, making $10 an hour in Austin is more like making $7 in Austin. Dumb. You didn't realize that? You're so intelligent, so beautiful, you know everything. And everything that come out of your mouth. I'm working now, so that make you a loser. So let me get this straight then, Tyree. All those times you wasn't working, what that mean then? That you a loser, right? You're nobody, right? You said everybody else is nobodies when they wasn't working or ain't working. So all those times you got fired or quit, every time you had an excuse for it, didn't you? It's either, oh, the manager didn't understand. Don't understand me. He just hating on me. They just hating on me. They don't want to see me succeed. So I just quit. I don't need money. I don't need no money. That's why I walk. I can do like that because I'm out there. I can just walk out because I don't need it. I got money. I got 5 luxury whips. I got a mansion down by Mexico. I don't need it. You don't need it, but correct me if I'm wrong, every chance you got since you started working at this job, that's the only thing you've been talking about. Oh, I get paid tomorrow, y'all. You know, can't wait, you know. I can't wait, you know. So, a millionaire, as you elegantly put it, a millionaire, you are excited to get a paycheck from a temp job, and you won't admit that you're a bona fide loser, bro. You're a loser, and that's it. And you're crying about a check that you get today on Friday. Hey y'all, telling everybody, hey y'all, I get paid tomorrow. I can't wait. I get paid tomorrow. And your dumb butt, knowing you got nothing but crumbled up ones in your pocket, and you out there spending $40 on a disgusting looking necklace that literally served no purpose other than to weigh your neck down and make your neck turn colors. Because you know this was we know. That thing is so fake. I have never witnessed anything like this before, man. A dude that thinks he's bigger than life. That is nothing. And then you just had the nerve to say, you're an angel? An angel. That's what you are. An angel. From God. So, let me get this straight. You pick God down by saying, this is stronger Jesus Christ, which, by the way, shut up, I'm talking about the man above. Anyway, so you talking all this trash about God Almighty, but He gonna make you an angel, and you was sent down here to what? You want to be a savior or something? Or what? To help people? Or I know what He sent you down for. To be a racist, unbelievable liar, a no having money loser, and He made you an angel to come down here and just help us, but nobody letting you help because you're Tyree, and you're just this great guy, and you just don't understand why people hate on you. Let me key you on a little secret, bro. You are a loser, bro. That's all you are. So, just letting you know that you are a loser. A born-again loser. That's all you are. That's all you ever will be. So, just get used to it. Nobody care that you are a loser. You are a bona fide loser. You hear me? You are a bona fide loser, bro. So, I'm gonna leave you on that, bro. You are a loser, and you better answer my challenge. Are you going to be a man or pussy? You'll move, prick.